everyone, it's Matthew from SwitchBot, and we've now unpacked SwitchBot S10 in front of us here, and as you can see, it's made up of 3 parts. We have the auto fill and drain water station over here, SwitchBot S10 itself, and the auto empty and dry station on my left-hand side here as well. And we're now going to take a look in closer detail just exactly what this all looks like. We have our LiDAR SLAM navigation system on the top here with AI obstacle avoidance. At the front, we have a bumper here to protect S10 should it bump into things when it's cleaning around the home. We also have here a water tank system that's built on the back here as well, which stores dirty water in the internal water tank here. And if I just actually turn this around as well, you'll be able to see underneath exactly what S10 looks like as well. And here we have our rinse sink system with our Revo Roll mop that's based here. We have obviously some rugged wheels to help S10 get around the home. We have a side brush here with an anti-tangle rubber brush found in the middle as well. And then as well as this, we also have the water station over here as well, which as you can see here has an area for cleaning solution. So you can add cleaning solution to the water station. There's also an area with a filter to help you to filter out any dust particles or mess that's going to stop your system from getting clogged. We then have some charging ports here that will actually help S10 charge the water station itself as well, and areas where clear, dirty water can be distributed around here also. And then coming over to this side, we have the auto empty and dry station here as well, with the dryer found on the bottom. And then we also have an air line here as well to suck up dust from S10 into and we also then have a lovely, wonderful dust bag here, which enables you to enjoy up to 70 days worth of dust storage. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, this is SwitchBot S10, a 100% automated floor cleaning robot. We hope to enjoy watching, and we're sure that when you get the chance to use this floor cleaning robot, you'll absolutely love it, and we hope to see you soon.